Hello there, time to get sporty. I'm Jeff Mogire. The national under-20 football team Rising Stars has been officially flagged off by President William Ruto at State House, Nairobi. The team will compete in the Under-20 Africa Cup of Nations set for Cairo, Egypt. Stars will begin their campaign against Morocco in the 1st of May.
The preparations have been well, and about the group that we are in, I want to assure you that as under-20, we are going to fight. We are going to make the Kenyans proud when we come back.
We are making every stride, every measure is being put in place to ensure that we revive football in this country and to ensure that we have the best for our youth. Infrastructure, we have noted with delight that it is, we are expanding our stadiums, and I'm very happy to see what is happening at the grassroots level and also at the national level.
We are giving you all the support. I'm very confident, from what the captain has said. It is a group where you can win, and I'm sure you will win. It is a good prelude for AFCON and CHAN, and therefore I have no doubt that this team, Your Excellency, will measure up, to the expectations.
You have my support, as I have said, with your team. And please, make me come to the finals of AFCON. Yeah? You want me to tell you how to make me come? Just play at the finals. I will be there.
Now, elsewhere, Sports Cabinet Secretary Salim Varia has refuted claims that the famous and historic